hit series Good Luck Charlie and a talented singer. Her new CD is out now. Here's Bridgit Mendler with her brand new hit, Hurricane.
Bridget! Think the clouds are clogging up my brain like the weather drains, same as the tears on my face. And I'm stuck up in the storm. I guess I'll be alright. Afraid of the sneaky tornado. There's no place like home. Boarding up the windows, looking at my heart. Like every time the window, I feel it tearing us apart. Every time he smiles, I let him in again. Everything is fine when he's standing in the eye of the hurricane. Then here comes the sun, here comes the rain. Standing in the eye of the hurricane. And here comes the sun, here comes the rain. Standing in the eye of the hurricane. And he picks me up like he's got the way of the hurricane. And I think I'm fine, like I'm in the eye of the hurricane. And he picks me up like he's got the way of the hurricane. And I think I'm fine, like I'm in the eye of the hurricane. But I'm floating, and I don't know when I'm gonna drop.